Hello, in this short video we will show you how to improve your workflow using simple drag and drop operations that will save a lot of clicks for you. You can, for example, drop some of the content nodes from the toolbox directly to the hierarchy editor and the appropriate hierarchy node will be generated automatically. Movie clip, movie stream and movie frame nodes create a material node with one material stage that is bound to these nodes. The same goes for the live video, gradient and texture loader nodes. While creating a material in the hierarchy editor, you can also create layers in the layer editor this way. These shortcuts will all create a 2D layer with a texture property bound to these provider nodes. Additionally, dropping the color node in the layer editor will create a solid color layer. Not really to be called shortcut, but also a valid action is dropping a hierarchy switch, group and scene or template port in the layer editor. This will create layers of the respective types. Instead of dropping a texture provider node in the hierarchy editor to create a new material node, you can also drop these nodes onto an existing material node to create a new material stage. The new stage will be created and bound to the drop node automatically. Lastly, you can directly drop your files from the Windows Explorer in Ventuz, and the according loader node will be created in the content editor, while the file property points to the dropped file. When a file from outside the Ventuz project is dropped, it will also be imported to the project. You can also drop the textures like movie clips or images in the hierarchy editor, layer editor or material node directly. In the hierarchy and layer editors, this will also work with geometries exported from other software. And in the content editor, you can also drop text files, XMLs, JSONs or Excel workbooks. You may also even drop an Excel cell directly in the content editor. Everything that can be dropped in the layer editor can also be dropped in the document bar to create a new scene with the resulting layer. And lastly, you can also drag and drop images from your web browser directly. Those will be handled like any other local image file. We hope you find these shortcuts useful and they will save you time in your projects using Ventuz.